Hey everyone out in the YouTube world, today it's Craig from Flying Wheels at the auction again. Thousands of cars all over the auction. I'm here alone in the corner checking out this 08 Audi S6. It's a V10 5.2 liter, 435 horsepower all-wheel drive monster. Same engine that's in the V10 Audi R8 as well as a lot of the Lamborghinis. So this car is going to be a fraction of the price compared to what an R8 or a Lamborghini with the same engine would be. It's at the auction. It's in the repo lane. I have no idea why. I don't know anything about the car at all. I'm going to check it out, try to drive it a little bit, but I'm hoping to get it for under 10 grand. Book says it should be around like 6, which I think is unrealistic because that's a pretty neat car with a lot of performance for 6 grand. I'm thinking 8-ish should sell for. So I'm going to hop in and check it out and drive it around, and hopefully we walk home with an Audi S6 V10 today. Super windy day, early spring, cold as hell, so I'm assuming my hair's all over the place. Well, whatever. I scanned the VIN on the car, so it will give me prices, what it should go for at auction, as well as brief vehicle history. So just after scanning the barcode, it shows that we have 2 owners, 98,000 miles was last reported mileage, and I should pay around $7,100 with 114,000 miles. This is 98,000 miles, so hopefully I can get it for around there. Tires have good tread on it, 19-inch wheels. I love the chrome handles and the billet mirrors that come on the S series. I love that it's a V10. This car is amazing. And what's cool, if people didn't take the chance to look at it before the auction, they're all going to be suspicious about it. No one's going to know anything about this car, so it might go for a lot less money for that reason. People are just scared of it. Look at that engine that they fit in here. Checking out the inside. Oh, gotta love the S6 Recaros. Look at those seats. Kind of smells funky, like old cheese and feet. You're lucky you're not in here with me because it does stink a little bit. Alright, so this is a repo car. Repo meaning it was had a loan on it and somebody stopped paying for it. There's so many reasons. They might have ran out of money, they might have lost their jobs, they might have had hospital bills. They might have come into a huge problem that was unfixable or beyond their cost of repair, affordable. Maybe they couldn't have afforded to repair it, so then they just give it back. Now it's at the auction, up to me to figure out what the heck's wrong with it. The problem is the repossession process takes so long that these cars sit oftentimes with the key in it, which will kill the battery. So usually when I get in a repossession, the battery's already dead. I hope it's not on this one. We're going to try it out. Started up. That's already a good sign. On the dash, it's an Audi, so I have to expect a ton of lights. And I don't see a ton of lights. So no engine light, no airbag lights, just an exclamation mark, service due, light bulb out, brake light out, hood open, tail light out. So far, not so bad. So I have a 2012 Audi S5 right now, which is almost identical in the center console. I have all my controls are right here next to the shifter, just like this actually. So it's pretty similar. 3 keys, 2 keys, 2 remotes. The leather's not all ripped up or cracked. We're missing just a speaker cover on that side. I love that the S6 is embossed into every single seat. This car is a ton of performance and a ton of luxury for not a lot of money anymore. It does have reverse. Put it in drive. It does have a drive. So far so good. We're in the midst of the auction right now, so I can't really drive it too far. I'm gonna wait till the auction settles, wait till it settles down and have some more space before I can drive it. The auction cleared out a little bit more, so we have some more space to go for a quick test drive. Oh, it has just the auto start. You turn the key real quick and it starts up. Hopefully the transmission's okay. Pop. 5.2 liter V10 engine. 435 horse, all-wheel drive. Same engine they put in a Lamborghini. These top off washer fluid. You got a light out. Blah, blah, blah. Stop calling me while we're driving. Wow, that sounds good. So it shifts. Now in the auction, really all we get to do is go from first to second because it's such a small area. So I shouldn't even be hitting the gas as much as I am, and you really have to watch out for everyone else driving around doing the same thing. First to second smooth. See if reverse works. Reverse works. Got a bunch of indicators on. Washer fluid, brake light, but no check engine light, no airbag, no ABS. That's amazing for an Audi or a Volkswagen. I've never seen such a thing, especially at the auction. What do you think, Pup? What's your first impression?
Oh, I don't know. I'm not much of a Volkswagen Audi man.
You work on it for me if it needs anything?
No.
I think I'm in love. I did just notice something though. No radio. How much is that going to cost to fix? What do these buttons do? Oh, look at that. Push a button, the glove box opens. Does it close on its own too? Nope. What's this thing? No idea. So that doesn't work. What's valet, you think? No idea. Heated seats. So the navigation system doesn't work. That's got to be pricey. So far, that's the only thing that I can really see wrong with it. Loving this car though. So I'm at the auction today looking for Saabs. So I got so caught up bidding on a Saab convertible that I did get. I actually missed the Audi that I really wanted to buy. I didn't know the Audi was here. I knew the Saabs were here, so I'm here for Saab convertibles. The Audi just happened to be here, and I looked at it beforehand, and I wanted it, but I was bidding on another car, and I couldn't be in two lanes at once, and I didn't realize the Audi was going through at the same time. So it didn't sell. It has an if on it. If meaning there was a high bidder, but it wasn't enough money that the bank wanted. So the bank wanted more than the high bid was. So there's an if on it. The bank has, what is it, 3 hours or something, 2 hours, 3 hours to think about it, get back to them, or counter offer. So hopefully it falls through so I can go buy it. I want it. I'm not sure how much the navigation system's going to cost, so we'll figure that out. I have to assume $1,000. So hopefully I get it. Hopefully they decline that bid of $6,900, and I'll buy it for a little bit more because I know the car. I like it. It seems like they're going for 13 everywhere all over the internet. Good news and bad news. I did get the Saab that I was bidding on, but I missed out bidding on that Audi, and the bank accepted their offer of $6,900. So that 08 Audi S6 V10 with 435 horsepower that was so fun to drive sold, and it didn't sell to me. So somber ending to what started off as kind of a cool morning. Oh well, there's always more cars, and I have to assume it happened for a reason because there's probably 1,000 problems with that car that I didn't know about. So anyway, I'm probably lucky that I didn't buy that car, but it would be fun to drive home, play around with for a little while, and then make some money off of. Anyway, if this video was at all interesting or entertaining, do me a favor, give me a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe for more of my fun car videos. Otherwise, I'll see you guys all later. Adios. Every once in a while, you miss out on something at the auction, and you just get that feeling of sadness for the one that got away. And that's the one I'm going to think about all week, that Audi S6. I don't think I've ever seen actually an Audi S6 V10 at the auction, and just driving it from first gear to second gear really put such a smile on my face. So all week I'm going to be thinking about that car. Last week it was a 2014 Mercedes bi-turbo V8 that I missed out on. Actually, it was just a little bit higher than I wanted to spend on it. I thought about it all week. I still have my S5 to go have fun with, but I wish it was an S6 so I could sell that S5. Until next time.